In this short and basic video, we will learn today how to create a Google Slides shortcut in desktop in a Windows PC. So guys, if you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows laptop or desktop, you can create a shortcut for any Google application like Google Docs, Gmail, Google Drive, Sheets and YouTube. Open any browser and search here Chrome, semicolon, double slash and apps. Then press enter. Now here right click on slides and create shortcut. Now we can see desktop start menu and taskbar are selected. So if you want to remove shortcut from any particular option, like just you need shortcut on desktop, so unselect these two options and click on create. So we can see we have now shortcut on desktop. And you want to add shortcut on desktop and start menu and taskbar. So select these both options and create. So we have now this shortcut on taskbar and on start menu. So this is a video to create shortcut for Google applications. Thanks for watching.